So here we are at the entrance to the national park, and our driver has just gone in to pay the fee, I'm guessing. So here we are in the jungle.
Yeah, big jungle.
Big jungle.
Yeah, yes, and other side and big lake.
We went on the lake this morning.
Yeah. 200 years and 200 years. Yeah, it's a very bigger size. It's Sri Lankan and fishman. It's a fishman and hut and boat.
Oh,
It's very nice. Yeah, it's a big boat. Yeah, hammock tree.
shame to cut it.
Yeah, hammock tree.
Beautiful tree.
Yeah, very nice. Look at Jutta Kisarana.
Amazing shapes.
Yeah, bigger. Hammock tree.
During the rainy season, all this land is underwater. At the moment we're right at the end of the dry season, so the lake's at its lowest point.
So we're stopped here by the lake and allowed to get out of our jeep and stretch our legs. Have a look around. Here is our jeep and our guides. It's very beautiful, but no luck with the elephants or any of the other exciting animals. Lots of birds, lots of butterflies, lots of eagles, which is a really good sign for these high order predators. But no leopards, bears or elephants to be seen. We saw an elephant in the distance, that was it. So that's the end of our safari today, and we didn't see any leopards or bears or even any elephants, apart from one in a distance. And you know that sometimes that can be a bit disappointing, but trying to be philosophical about it and focus on the small things. We saw lots of beautiful butterflies, wonderful birds, and amazing vegetation, a couple of amazing trees, and just the overall landscape is very beautiful. And we've just got a wonderful sunset happening over here, which will probably take some better photos with the other camera. So yes, been an enjoyable day. Didn't get to see exactly what we'd hoped for, but then nature doesn't always deliver exactly what you want, and that's the point of it, I guess. So yeah, see you in the next one. So this is our breakfast this morning. We've got hoppers and egg hoppers and pole roti with sini sambal and some fruit, and we've got a special drink here which is an Ayurvedic drink made from leaves that are medicinal and are good for the body in the morning. So thank you very much to our hosts for our lovely breakfast. So this drink is warm, as in it's been cooked, and it tastes like almost like cream spinach. Has an earthy green sort of taste. I'm sure it's very healthy. For those that don't know what sini sambal is, it's a caramelised onion, spicy caramelised onion sambal, which is really tasty and really sweet, very nice. So this is Rathnapriya Guest House, where we've been staying for the last few days. It's a small family-run guest house, and this is the lounge living area, dining table, where we've been provided with the most amazing home-cooked meals for dinner and breakfast. And every day there's far more food than we could possibly eat, and it's all been very lovely. Wonderful, wonderful home cooked food. So just a little tour around. This is our room. We've got the mosquito net on the bed. I've got aircon and a fan. It's quite small but quite comfortable. And a bathroom, basic shower, so forth. Cold water shower, which is fine here because the temperature of the water is not particularly cold and the temperature of the air is particularly hot. And these are our hosts.
Hi.
Who've given us a lovely time while we're here. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. Come again. Are you sending the daughter?
On YouTube.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this is the outside. Beautiful garden. Nice little spots to sit outside. And we've got mango trees with lots of little mangoes, not ready yet. Apparently the monkeys have a nice time when they become a bit more ripe. And how many mango trees? 3 mango trees in the garden, and lots of other beautiful plants. And it's really, really little oasis in this area.
Well, looks like Danushka has just turned up. Danushka is our driver in Sri Lanka for this leg of the journey. There's very little public transport in this area. There are no trains, and the buses are, due to the fuel problem, not that reliable. So we've got Danushka, who's taken us around Sri Lanka once before on a previous trip, and we've asked him to drive us this leg of the journey. So he picked us up at Trinco, brought us here, and will take us to Kandy. It's say hello, Danushka.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. How are you?